This is an annotated bibliography from an English 45 class, and I'm just showing it to you to give you a heads up. This is exactly what you'll be doing in a few weeks. And at the end of this week, you'll be submitting what's equivalent to one of these entries. Okay, so notice this annotated bibliography has 3 entries, one for the Emerson piece with 2 paragraphs. This is the summary paragraph. This is the response paragraph. Has a second entry for the King piece, notice, with the summary paragraph and the response paragraph, and then a third entry with 2 paragraphs. There is a third requirement, which is the citation. And we'll be talking about, and I'll be helping you with citing really soon, but just know that even your submission at the end of this week requires a citation at the beginning of the 2 paragraphs, just like this one.